Hello, welcome back. Gonna be doing a really cute set today with this pretty reflective chameleon effect. I've already applied my tips and done my prep, and I'm gonna start off with a thin layer of clear acrylic on my thumb, middle, and pinky nail. And then on my index finger, I'm just gonna go in with this nude acrylic. It is called Birthday Suit. And I'm gonna apply that just to the nail bed, and then I'm just gonna shape that into a nice smile line right at the tip of the nail. And then we're gonna take that same color and apply it to the nail bed of the ring finger, but that one I'm just gonna fade it out towards the tip. I'm gonna stay with that nail, and I'm gonna take this glitter. It is a Chameleon Glitter. It is a bronze or copper color, and it reflects a green and sometimes even a little pink. And I'm just gonna apply that to the tip of the nail and then fade it down towards the nail bed. And then I'm taking this leaf glitter, which is the exact same color. It's Chameleon Glitter with the bronze, copper, and reflects green and a little pink, and I'm gonna apply that randomly all along that nail and then cap the nail in clear acrylic. Now I'm going to go back over to that index nail and just file and clean up the smile line and make sure it's perfect and smooth. And how cute is my little nail dust brush, my unicorn brush. I got that from Glitter Planet UK. I'm going to go in with that same glitter and cover the whole tip with it. And then I'm also going to take the same leaf glitter and apply a couple pieces of leaves on the tip, and then also a few of them on the nail bed. And then cap that whole nail in clear. Now I'm going to go back over to those other 3 nails and cover them in black acrylic. I'm going to be using a chrome powder, so first I need to apply a no white gel top coat to the nails and then cure them in the lamp. I'm using this Chameleon chrome powder. It is from TwinkledT. It's called Acrylic, and it is the same color as the glitter I've been using. It's a bronze color that reflects mostly green, but depending on how the light hits it, you can see a little bit of pink. Then of course I had to go through and top coat all of the nails, and pictures and video just do not do these nails justice. The color shift in these nails is incredible. It's so pretty. Alright, this is my finished set. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.